Today I am so excited to show you part of the reveal of my master bathroom, and I'm calling out some of the things that I will be doing in our next how-to videos. So we have two trays here. We have one with the rhinestones and the handles, and here I have a simple tray holding my apothecary jar. Here I've made two candle holders with diamond wrap. And here I've accented my mirror, adding diamond wrap and 5-inch square mirrors from top to bottom. This was a chore. I can't wait to show you how I did this. So altogether I have 4 DIYs coming up, and I can't wait to show them all to you. It was so much fun to do them. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.